Hello everyone, it's Gigi and welcome to Saturday Morning Makes with Jill Norwood. This is episode 11 of mine. I'm sorry I'm late today, so let's get started. The first thing that I used was this decorative outline dies craft kit by Crafter's Companion. And what I used out of there was, let me show you. I used this beautiful butterfly, and I used the coordinating die right here. I also used these beautiful gems, and then I used this little cutout right here, hello. I used some 3D foam squares. I did some embossing, so I used my Versamark ink, and I used my EK Success powder tool. Now, the embossing powders I used are from Honeybee Stamps. I used Be True, Be Sweet, and these come as a set on Honeybee Stamps. Be Kind. And these are just so pretty. And then on this one, is that everything I used? Let's see, guys. Yes. So let me show you that card. So this is how that one came out. It's all shiny and pretty. And I layered it with some different color cardstocks, and then I just left the inside blank like that. So that was my first one. And then for my second card, I used out of their vellum pack. I used some sheets of that. I used this beautiful die. This is gorgeous. A lot of poking out little pieces, but it's gorgeous. And then I used the jewels again, the little gemstones. And I used some iridescent glitter dust. And this is the card I came up with. So that's what I used for that kit. So next, let me show you what I used. First I was inspired by Jill. Hi Jill. She used some bird stamps, and she used this. And so I was totally inspired by her. I had not used these yet, and so I wanted to after I saw what she did. So the colors look like this. They're really pretty. They're metallic accents by Prima. Okay, so I used those on 2 cards. I used this Gingham Garden from My Mind's Eye. This paper is so pretty. Let me show you guys, in case you're interested. It's really pretty. Okay. Then I used my Stitched Rectangles set 2 from Pink and Main. And I used the Crazy Stitch set from Impression Obsession, and this one's by Anna White. Hi Anna, if you're watching, I love this die. It is like one of my all-time faves. And then I used this Tree Branch die by MFT. Then I used some of these words printables from Aralami Ha Shop, which is on Etsy, and I will link it down in the description box below in case you're interested in getting these. These are so awesome and they're pretty. And then lastly, I think, no, not lastly. Okay, I used these dies from X-Cut. I think they're from X-Cut. Yeah, it's Do Crafts. Do Crafts X-Cut. Let me show you what they look like. Let me see if I can get it open real quick. If they come on a magnet, and I had got them from Tuesday Morning in 2020, and I had just never used them, and I was going through my dies, and I found them, and I was like, you know what? I want to use those. So this is what they look like. They're so pretty. Okay? And then I used some Walnut Stain Distress Oxide on my first card. Okay? So let me show you that. So there's the piece of paper that I made. Oh, I also used some silver glitter dust. I'm sorry. So I used this. So I painted a piece of paper with the pink, and that is a gorgeous pink. And then I cut it out with a die. I used some of that gingham garden paper. Then I used the tree branch, and I did that, and I distressed everything, and I made it a thank you card, and then I put a little heart on the inside. And I think that just came out so cute. I love how that paint comes out. And on the next one, I used both Distress Oxides. I used Walnut Stain and Vintage Photo. No, I didn't. I just used Walnut. I'm sorry, I just used Walnut. I used both of them on the other one. Okay, let me show you what I made. So I used a yellow from that watercolor pan. And this came out so beautiful. So I put from the heart, and again I used that gingham garden paper for to go around. And again I sprayed it with that silver glitter dust. And it just came out so pretty. I love it. Thank you for inspiring me, Jill. So that is my Saturday morning makes. If you're interested in joining in, all you do is have to hashtag #SatMornMakes so we can all find you and look at your beautiful projects as well. Hey, I love you guys. Bye.